Okay, hi friends. In the previous class, we have discussed that aldol and cross aldol condensation. Now we will discuss intramolecular. Okay, na intramolecular aldol condensation. Intramolecular aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. That means intramolecular aldol condensation means the aldol condensation reaction in single molecule. Okay, now aldol condensation reaction in single molecule. That means the molecule must be possess alpha hydrogen. Molecule must be possess alpha hydrogens. Now, if you see, so so example. So this is a molecule. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 6 hexane diol. 1, 6 hexane diol. Okay. So in this case, with respect to this is alpha hydrogen. With respect to this is also alpha hydrogen. So you can take any one alpha hydrogen. This is also alpha hydrogen. So one molecule alpha hydrogen, other molecule oxygen will be removed. Okay. So I am writing this oxygen is like this. Okay. So here these two hydrogens will be removed in the presence of dilute NaOH condition. This oxygen, this alpha hydrogen will be removed minus H2O. Okay, by heating. So the product formation is the cyclic compound. See here double bond will appear and C double bond OH. Okay. So like this product formation takes place. So this is a intramolecular. So here what happened? The intramolecular and within the molecule there is a alpha hydrogens, the molecule containing alpha hydrogens. So alpha hydrogens and oxygen both will be removed and forms alpha beta unsaturation. With respect to this is alpha beta unsaturated compound. So alpha beta unsaturated compound. This is also called its IUPAC name is what, Nana? IUPAC name 1. Okay. Cyclopenta 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cyclopenta pentene. Okay, na cyclopent 1 in carbaldehyde anali. Cyclopent 1 in carbaldehyde. IUPAC name. Carbaldehyde. So this is the intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. So the alpha hydrogens and within the molecule there is a alpha hydrogens and also carbonyl oxygen. Both will be removed to form intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. Okay, I'll give one more example. CH2, C double bond O, CH3, here double bond O, H. Okay, so I will take dilute OH in the branch of heating. So here if you see there is a alpha hydrogen, here also alpha hydrogens. Okay, and and here also alpha hydrogens. So always 5-membered is 5-membered or 6-membered is more clear. 5-membered or 6-membered compounds are more clear. So that's why you can remove the hydrogens like this. Okay, you can remove the hydrogens. This part alpha hydrogen, this part oxygen will be removed, and the product formation C double bond O CH3. Okay, the H like this. So minus water. So this is the 6-membered ring. 6-membered ring is formed. So always 5-membered or 6-membered ring is more priority. 5 or 6-membered. 6-membered rings are more stable. More stable. So always you try to form 5 or 6-membered rings. So here is 5-membered ring, here is 6-membered ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6-membered rings. So this is the intramolecular aldol condensation reaction, right? Next to Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction. So this is without alpha hydrogen. Without alpha hydrogens, the molecule must be without alpha hydrogen. Without alpha hydrogens. So here 2 molecules already I have given in the half line. Okay na? In benzaldehyde topic I have given Cannizzaro reaction. Again I am explaining. 2 molecules of aldehyde or ketone. Aldehyde or ketone. Okay, without alpha hydrogen. Without alpha hydrogen atom undergoes disproportionation to give one molecule as acid, salt of acid, and another molecule, okay, not other molecule as alcohol, in the presence of strong base is called Cannizzaro reaction. అంటే ఇక్కడ కండిషన్ చూడండి, ద రియాక్షన్ అండర్ హియర్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ ఈస్ వితౌట్ ఆల్ఫా హైడ్రోజన్ ఆటమ్ and undergo disproportionation mean one molecule is undergoes oxidation, one molecule undergoes reduction. Okay now, so in the presence of strong base, అక్కడికి ఇక్కడికి డిఫరెంట్ ఏంటంటే ఆల్డాల్ కండెన్సేషన్లో డిస్ప్రపోర్షనేషన్ లేదు. ఆల్డాల్ కండెన్సేషన్లో ఆల్ఫా హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఆల్ఫా హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఉండొద్దు. అక్కడనేమో డైల్యూట్ బేస్, ఇక్కడ స్ట్రాంగ్ బేస్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, this is the difference between the Cannizzaro reaction. So in these conditions I am taking some examples without alpha hydrogens. Examples without alpha hydrogen. First formaldehyde and benzaldehyde. Okay, Cl3, chloral. Okay, this is chloral, and CH3 CHO, trimethyl acetaldehyde. These are all without alpha hydrogens. No alpha hydrogen. This molecule, okay, no alpha hydrogens. These type of molecules undergoes Cannizzaro reaction, undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. So here if you see, this molecule does not have alpha hydrogens, they will be participate in a Cannizzaro reaction. So example తీసుకుంటున్నాను formaldehyde. Okay, this is formaldehyde. These are two molecules under strong base. Strong base అంటే you can take concentrated NaOH. Okay, otherwise potassium hydroxide like that. So one molecule gives as salt of acid antunnam, HCOONA, and other molecule gives as alcohol. Okay, this is sodium formate. Other is alcohol. This is a disproportionation reaction. ఎందుకంటే ఆల్డిహైడ్ యాసిడ్గా మారడం ఆక్సిడేషన్, ఇంకో మాలిక్యూల్ ఆల్డిహైడ్ ఆల్కహాల్గా మారడం రిడక్షన్ అన్నమాట. సో ఒక మాలిక్యూల్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ అయ్యి యాసిడ్ని ఇస్తుంది, ఇంకొక మాలిక్యూల్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ అయ్యి రిడక్షన్ అయ్యి ఆల్కహాల్స్ని ఇస్తుంది. కాబట్టి దీన్ని డిస్ప్రపోర్షనేషన్ రియాక్షన్ అని చెప్తారు. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ అ Cannizzaro reaction. Mind it, in Cannizzaro reaction one compound give as a salt of acid వస్తుంది, ఇంకొక మాలిక్యూల్ ఆల్కహాల్ అవుతుంది. రైట్? ఓకే.